Alrighty, y'all. Hello. We are doing a highly requested video right now. This is taking a look at Ronnie O'Sullivan, fastest 147 in history, 5 minutes and 8 seconds. So I'm still extremely new to snooker. By the way, I laughably called it snooker in the first video, where I literally just learned a very quick breakdown of kind of the rules and how it works. I just wanted to add that my logic was, snooker has S-N-O-O-K. Well, N-O-O-K is nook, not nuke, nook. Look, book, took. That was my logic. I thought it sounded pretty sound, but apparently not. It's snooker, and to be fair, to play devil's advocate, I guess Snoopy, right, from Charlie Brown. Yeah, Snoopy is S-N-O-O-P, so there you go. I guess it makes sense. So anyway, snooker, this is one of the best, I guess. I definitely have to learn about him, as well as just we're really trying to get into the game. I'm very intrigued as someone who grew up, loving the chance to play pool when I could. The basics, what we have over here, 8-ball or 9-ball. I think those are fun, and now I'm very intrigued. So let's get straight into it. This will be linked down below so you can take a further look, and of course, browser channel. Pretty much told this is the best run in this sport you could ever have, and I think it's going to be a sight to see. Here we go. Ooh, good shot right off the bat. There is the man in question here, Ronnie O'Sullivan. Wow, nice shot. Saw the ball spin right after. He definitely put something on that one. The cue ball, rather.
9.
Wow, he is.
Yes,
oh my
just,
God, he is working fast. It's so precise.
On for Ronnie. 17.
Huh.
24.
Such confidence, yet such grace when he's shooting.
$25.
Oh my God. He's setting himself up so well.
32.
Now he has to get the red again. Then he can go for the black, right?
Well, that's the 5th red and the 5th black coming up.
Yeah, he is going to go for the black, right? Yeah.
And obviously the red at the...
I do apologize. My seasonal allergies have really flared up since it started warming up. And, oh my God. Anyway, so a quick pause. Like anything, I feel like I can, make some pretty good shots, but I have to really kind of strategize it, right? I have to feel it out and take a little bit of time. He is cleaning this table quickly, but it's not recklessly. It's kind of amazing to watch. He's so precise and clearly knows what he's doing when he's hitting the ball. It's going exactly where he wants it. But it's quick. How's he doing this so quick without it being reckless? Like, geez.
41.
This is absolutely wild. What is really impressive, if you know anything about playing like this, is that he's making these, and the movement on the cue ball. The cue ball's staying in this kind of like this zone right here. He's not letting it like go crazy, like, oh, he hits it. Yeah, he got it in, but the cue ball went over here or it scratched. That'd be bad, right? Like he's so precise that he's making the shots and he's putting whatever he needs to put on the cue ball so it stays in this general area so he sets up another shot.
Not slightly, has he?
That's next level. That's the difference between a pro and a casual. Look at that. Oh my God, what was that wizardry?
56.
I know you can put spin on the ball, but geez, to be consistent is another thing.
57.
This is amazing.
Wow. Look at that. What? How the
65.
Oh my God. The poor other guy hasn't even had a shot. He's at 0. What is that other guy thinking right now?
Well,
72.
one more red and the frame's safe, but Ronnie's got other things on
73.
his mind, and so has everybody in the audience.
Wow.
Well, listen, John, I know
He's
you've
getting 7
commentated
points
on
every time for
maximum
that
before.
black ball, right?
I've never, and I'm starting to get a bit excited here. There's a little
81.
matter of 147.
You know, this is almost therapeutic to watch.
Maximum break.
I'm glad I discovered the sport. I think I'm going to be watching this, learning about it in my own time, just kind of relaxing and enjoying the show, man.
89.
Wow.
Yes, and I think those two reds belong.
I also love how big the
Pink
table
ball and
is,
Will
man.
Potts
That's
in
one
the
thing I
left
never
corner.
knew until the first video learning.
Well,
This
they
table
will
is
now.
huge.
Needs to be a bit lucky.
Dude, he is so smooth,
Great
man.
chance.
97.
Oh my God. Imagine being able to play like that. Dude, it's so graceful.
104.
The finesse is unbelievable.
4
105.
minutes for the century. Amazing.
The pockets actually look a lot smaller, too.
Well, this is the
It's a
key
bigger
shot.
table, but somehow smaller pockets. Like the mouth on him, you see, is pretty small. He's just sinking them
Good angle on this
left
red
and right.
to get on the
112.
black. He's got it just.
113.
Dude, I am in disbelief. This is crazy.
Oh, float on.
Now he can make the rest of these, right? Oh my God, he's in the home stretch. Now he can sink all these for big points. As from what I understand,
122.
this guy has not missed a freaking shot, dude.
125.
This could be a little tricky, though. Look at all these. They're in the center. He's got some far shots here.
120.
Who am I kidding?
Perfect.
This doesn't scare him at all.
Perfect.
134.
Oh, my.
This.
Wow, dude.
What a break!
Holy shit.
Fantastic maximum break that is. Ronnie O'Sullivan.
Was that the other guy? The other guy's like, hey, I had a front row seat. That's about it. I got 0 on the scoreboard, just like everyone in the crowd.
Sullivan's delighted.
Holy crap, dude.
John Virgo and
What a thing to witness. If it's on TV or especially if you were there.
I'm delighted. 5 minutes for one unbelievable maximum break. The players are over from the other side of the screen.
Wow, man.
Sensational.
Yeah, have a drink. What a thing to toast to, huh? Oh my God, was that a spectacle? This guy. That was spectacular. You know what? You guys always point me in the right direction, especially when I'm learning about something new. So I'm really, really intrigued now. I mean, the first video was just like the rules, right? You know, it was interesting to me, but it wasn't really action-packed. This is the first crazy footage as I've seen. And now, of course, not every snooker game is going to be like this. I understand that because this is pretty famous because this is like a record-breaking run here. So I realize it's not always going to be exactly like that, but I totally, seeing it in action for me solidifies like getting the rules a little more. Of course, we didn't see like player-to-player interaction because he owned the whole game by himself. To see what, you know, you can do if you're really good is really something. That was so freaking cool. That did not disappoint. As a matter of fact, it blew my freaking mind. The comments cracked me up. I took a dump and missed this. No kidding. Scored a 147 once when I was 13 years old. I took about 5 hours and 22 minutes. It was my first 18 round of golf. I've got better over the years, but not by much. I love it. Nice switch up there I didn't see coming. That's pretty fun. Someone also says it's crazy to think that this was 26 years ago, and now he is the best player still in the world. Yeah, I don't know who's good and who's not, but I assume he's one of the best. You know, in a sport like this, I'm sure he might still be the best or in the top 5 or something. You guys will have to, weigh in on that. I mean, this is just incredible. And by the way, when you give him a search on the old Google, I guess he is still one of the best, because here we are, fast forward from 1997, which is that record run we just watched, to now, 2024. And here's a headline these are headlines from hours ago, talking about how he is the favorite heading into the World's Snooker Championship in 2024. Like, holy smokes. This guy found his calling, I'd say. It's really cool to watch someone as a master of their craft. And you know what? He's not even old. He's only 48. So when he did that run in 97, geez, was he only 21 or 22? Holy smokes, this guy's crazy. How did he do that in front of a crowd when he was 21 or 22? That's insane. I mean, he's just got that focus, though. I mean, look at the pictures, right? That guy knows how to study that table, and the guy is in tune with everything needed for this sport, right? He actually is currently world number 1. So, best player in the world to this day, which is just mind-blowing to me, that we're watching highlights from 97, and fast forward to now, he's still the best. Like, imagine going into a tournament and you find out you got to play this guy. That's the worst news you could ever hear. One thing that blows my mind is it says he's known to be ambidextrous. He's right-handed, but can play to a high standard left-handed as well. That is absolutely insane to me. I don't even know how you explain that. That's just so next level. Basically, summing this up, he was good early on. I mean, I think this guy knew that he was going to be good. He was playing when he was like 10, playing competitively at 15, holy smokes. And by the way, the highlight we just watched from 97 still stands as the fastest competitive maximum break. 5 minutes, 8 seconds, and that has not been broken since. So tell me in the comments, do you think that will ever be broken? I think, not knowing anything about the sport, I'm just stepping in the front door here. I think that it's safe to say, watching that, I don't have to know everything about the sport to know that that was a spectacle, right? I think that will not be broken for quite a long time, if ever. That's just something you can't explain. It's one of those almost divine moments in sports where you're just like, oh my God, he had it locked in. No one's going to beat that. And naturally, his nickname is the Rocket. Gee, I wonder why. Because of his fast and aggressive attack play style. And then just taking a quick scroll, look at all the things he's either won or finished runner-up. Like these are some big matches across, different years. Yeah, this guy is really good, obviously. And then one final bit I thought was actually kind of interesting is that 1997 record of 5 minutes and 8 seconds was originally recorded as 5 minutes and 20 seconds, but subsequent evidence has suggested that the BBC started the timer too early on the break. Depending on the timing methodology used, the break took between 5 minutes and 8 seconds and 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Both World Snooker and Guinness World Records now officially acknowledge the shorter time. I thought that was pretty interesting. So, even 5:20 would have been impressive, I'm assuming. But the fact that it was actually properly corrected to 5 minutes, 8 seconds probably was, pretty satisfying, obviously, to hear. So, yeah, that was absolutely thrilling. Really impressive, and I think it's a great way to kind of just dive headfirst into the world of snooker. I'm really excited. You guys rock for all your comments and education that you give me down there. Of course, references like this, really cool stuff. So I do appreciate it. I appreciate you watching. Hopefully I see you in the next one. I think there's a lot more to come with this. My name is Ian. You're watching IWrocker. Until next time, y'all, take care. I'll catch you later.